Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for all things innovative and essential. Today, we're diving deep into the world of home cleaning with a revolutionary device that's changing the game: the Narwal Freo Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo. Let me cut to the chase, friends. If you're a pet owner dealing with a perpetual struggle against fur and dander, you need to pay close attention. The Narwal Freo isn't just any robot mop, it's the best solution out there for tackling those pesky pet hair problems. First off, let's talk intelligence. The Freo isn't just mindlessly wandering around your home. With its intelligent mop lifting and auto mop washing capabilities, it adapts to the level of dirtiness in your home and ensures a thorough clean every time. No more worrying about missed spots or half-hearted cleaning efforts. And speaking of efficiency, the Narwal Freo is a powerhouse when it comes to dealing with pet hair. Thanks to its patented high-speed spinning mop pads and Dirt Sense Ultra Clean technology, it's equipped to handle even the most stubborn fur and dander. Plus, with its ability to target dirtier areas precisely, you can say goodbye to those persistent pet-related messes. But wait, there's more. The Narwal Freo isn't just about cleaning, it's about convenience too. With its easy-to-use app control and scheduling features, you can set it and forget it, letting it do the hard work while you focus on what matters most. And did I mention it works with Siri? That's right, folks, voice-activated cleaning at your fingertips. So there you have it, folks. The Narwal Freo Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo isn't just a game-changer, it's a life-changer, especially for pet owners. Say goodbye to endless sweeping and mopping, and say hello to a cleaner, happier home. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, where we bring you the best of the best. Until next time, happy cleaning!